Here is a Nissan Murano. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Let's go ahead and open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the fuse panel cover. Yep, right over there. What we'll do is just put two fingers in there and get the cover off. And inside there is the fuse panel. First thing we'll do is we'll get the fuse puller out. Just grab the fuse puller and get it out. The way it works is it just goes right on the fuse, it sits on the fuse, and then when you pull the fuse puller out, the fuse comes out with it. This diagram is on the back side of the fuse cover that we just took off. We'll be focusing on the 110 amp fuse that's at the top right corner. So get the fuse puller on the fuse, then just pull the fuse puller. That's going to get the fuse out. Looking at the center part, if your center part is broken, that means it's a bad fuse, and that's very likely what the issue is. See, mine is a good fuse and the center part is not broken in my case. The good news is that we do have a spare fuse, the 10 amp fuse over there. Always replace a 10 amp fuse with only a 10 amp fuse. So go ahead, get the fuse puller on it, then pull the fuse puller, and that should get the spare fuse out. Let's check the center part of this spare fuse and make sure that this is looking good as well. And then just put the spare fuse back in where the original position is, and that should very likely solve your problem. Once you're done, don't forget to put the cover back on, push it, and that's it. Hope you found it useful.